The most common parts that you will need to replace on your Ford Crown Victoria 4.6 V8. If you are new to my channel, please ensure you subscribe, like and share. My first milestone is to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I can only do it with your support. Let's make a start, and we'll start under the bonnet or hood if you're in America. One thing that will always fail on the Ford Crown Victoria at some point will be this here, which is the intake manifold, and I'll insert a video of what happened when my one failed now. As you can see, it looks like something out of James Bond with a fog machine bolted to the back of my car. Another common problem that always goes wrong on the Ford Crown Victoria is the resistor blower motor is located just down here. Can't see it, I guess. Have a look, see if we can. You'll always know when this fails because the heater will only work in position 3. Another common problem with these cars is the steering shaft that goes from the steering wheel down to the steering rack. They rust out and they become very, very stiff, and you can always tell because the steering is very hard to turn, and then all of a sudden it'll free off and go loose, then tight, then loose. This one has had a new one fitted. I've also fitted a new steering rack and anything else that was related to the steering. Another common fault with these is the position of the wiper motor, which is located just underneath here. It gets a build-up of crud, and in turn that causes the electrical connectors to go bad. Your common sign for that will be that the wipers only work in fast mode, and that is it. They won't change speed. Moving inside the car, not a lot really goes wrong in here. These do suffer with the digital display blacking out, and I'm just trying to find the keys. My one is intermittent. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It's never gone completely black. Turn the fan off. It's never gone completely black, but it was very, very dim. I tapped the dashboard and sure enough it come back into life. Another common problem is the blend door actuator, which is located behind the dashboard, right back behind the radio, so not an easy one to get to. That has a habit of stopping and therefore stops your functions turning from vent to floor to mix, etc. I hope you found this video useful. If you are new to the channel, please ensure you subscribe, share and like. Let's try and grow this channel as much as we can.